The heart of the ancient world. Jerusalem A. Welcome to Jerusalem. Jerusalem, often referred to as the heart of the ancient world, is a city steeped in historical and spiritual significance. Its narrative weaves through millennia, encompassing monumental events that shape not just its own destiny, but also that of the world. From the Babylonian exile to Roman conquests, Islamic rule, and the Crusader era, Jerusalem stands as a testament to the ebb and flow of civilizations, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape and soul. Second historical significance, A city of change. As a symbol of faith and resilience, Jerusalem attracts countless visitors drawn to its rich tapestry of history. Pilgrims and tourists alike come seeking both spiritual solace and a glimpse into the past, experiencing the profound impact the city has had on individuals across cultures and epochs. Every stone, every street, echoes with stories of those who have walked its paths. The Old City and its walls, A. The Ottoman walls. Constructed in the 16th century under the auspices of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, the robust walls of Jerusalem were designed to protect the city from external threats. These fortifications not only served a practical purpose, but also symbolized the city's resilience and enduring spirit. B. The 8 gates. The Old City is encircled by 8 gates, each with its unique significance. The sealed Golden Gate, in particular, stands out due to its deep connections to Christian, Jewish, and Islamic traditions. It is believed to be the gate through which the Messiah will enter, a notion that has inspired generations and intertwines with various messianic prophecies. Fourth key gates and their cultural connections, A. Damascus Gate. Renowned for its grandeur, the Damascus Gate serves as a vital cultural crossroads. Its impressive structure welcomes visitors into the bustling heart of the Old City, where vibrant markets and diverse communities thrive. The gate not only represents an entry point, but also symbolizes the confluence of cultures that define Jerusalem. V. The 4 quarters of the Old City, A. Overview of the quarters. Jerusalem's Old City is divided into 4 distinct quarters, each rich in character and significance. The Muslim quarter, the largest and most populated, bustling with life and tradition. The Christian quarter, home to significant pilgrimage sites that attract Christians from around the world. The Armenian quarter, a treasure trove of cultural heritage reflecting the ancient Armenian presence. The Jewish quarter. Steeped in history, this area is vital to the Jewish identity and faith. 6. The Christian quarter, A. Via Dolorosa. The Via Dolorosa, or Way of Suffering, holds profound historical significance as the path believed to be taken by Jesus on the day of his crucifixion. Winding through narrow alleys lined with ancient stones, this sacred route draws pilgrims seeking to retrace the steps of their faith. B. Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Regarded as the holiest site in Christianity, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre is a breathtaking fusion of architectural styles that reflects the myriad cultural influences that have shaped it. The Stone of Unction, located at the entrance, is a revered site where believers commemorate the preparation of Jesus' body for burial. C. The Edicule of the Holy Sepulchre. At the heart of the church lies the Edicule, believed to be the burial site of Jesus. Its historical roots trace back to Emperor Constantine, who commissioned the original church in the 4th century. Today, the Edicule remains a focal point of Christian devotion, embodying hope, resurrection, and faith. 7. Conclusion A. A timeless city of faith and history. Jerusalem is more than just a city. It is a living testament to the intertwining of faith and history. Each visit offers a chance to connect with the past while embracing the spiritual resonance that continues to inspire countless souls. As visitors wander through its ancient streets, they are invited to partake in the ongoing story of this remarkable city, a narrative that echoes through time, welcoming all who seek its truths. The Christian denominations and their presence in Jerusalem. A. Introduction. A. Overview of Jerusalem's religious landscape. Jerusalem is a city of profound significance for various Christian denominations, each contributing to its rich spiritual fabric. The complexities of its religious landscape are managed through the status quo arrangement, a unique system of shared administration that has evolved over centuries to maintain peace among the diverse Christian communities. Second, Christian denominations in Jerusalem. A. Greek Orthodox historical background. The Greek Orthodox Church has deep roots in Jerusalem, dating back to the early Christian era. It is one of the oldest Christian communities in the city, playing a vital role in its religious and cultural life. Key sites and practices. Notable sites include the Church of the Holy Sepulchre and the Mount of Olives. The community is known for its rich liturgical traditions, including the celebration of Easter with elaborate rituals. B. Roman Catholic role in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. The Roman Catholic Church holds a significant portion of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, where it oversees important religious observances, including Good Friday and Easter. Historical influence and contemporary presence. With a historical presence dating back to the Crusades, the Catholic community continues to engage in various social and educational initiatives within Jerusalem. See Coptic Orthodox unique traditions and cultural contributions. The Coptic Orthodox Church is known for its ancient liturgy and vibrant traditions, including unique fasting practices and feast days. Key sites and significance. The Coptic Monastery of St. Anthony is a significant site, highlighting the community's long-standing connection to Jerusalem. D. Armenian Orthodox historical ties to Jerusalem. The Armenian community has been in Jerusalem since the early Christian era, with a rich history tied to the city's development, cultural heritage and major religious sites. The Armenian Quarter features historic churches, including St. James Cathedral, which is central to the community's identity. E. Ethiopian Orthodox unique practices and historical presence. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church is distinguished by its own traditions, such as the celebration of Timkat, Epiphany, with vibrant processions and rituals, contributions to the religious tapestry. The Ethiopian community contributes to Jerusalem's diversity, with their church serving as a vital spiritual home. F. Syriac Orthodox historical roots and significance. The Syriac Orthodox Church traces its origins to the early Christian communities in Jerusalem, maintaining a strong spiritual presence. Key locations and traditions. Important sites include the Syriac Orthodox Church of St. Mark, where ancient traditions and liturgies continue to thrive. The status quo arrangement here. A. Historical context. Origin of the status quo. Established during the time of Saladin in the 12th century, the status quo was intended to maintain peace and order among the various Christian denominations sharing sacred spaces. Purpose of the arrangement. It serves to avoid conflict over control of holy sites, ensuring that all communities have a voice in the administration of their religious heritage. B. Custodianship of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Role of two Muslim families. The keys to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre are entrusted to two Muslim families, symbolizing a neutral custodianship that has helped maintain harmony in a contentious religious landscape. Implications for Christian communities. This arrangement reflects the complex interplay of faith and governance in Jerusalem, influencing the daily lives of Christian worshippers. Fourth Mosque of Omar A. Historical significance. Caliph Omar's visit. Caliph Omar ibn al-Khattab's decision to pray outside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre when he took Jerusalem in the 7th century underscores a commitment to coexistence and respect for Christian sites. Role of the mosque in religious history. The Mosque of Omar serves as a symbol of Islamic presence in Jerusalem, embodying the historical narrative of the city's diverse faiths. B. Architectural and cultural importance. Description of design. The mosque features simple yet elegant architecture, embodying Islamic design principles while harmonizing with the surrounding religious landscape. Symbol of coexistence. The presence of the mosque alongside Christian and Jewish sites illustrates the potential for peaceful coexistence among diverse religious communities. V. The vibrant streets of Jerusalem, a market life and cultural exchange. Description of lively streets. The bustling markets of Jerusalem are alive with color, sound, and the aroma of traditional foods. Vendors offer everything from spices to handcrafted goods, reflecting the city's vibrant culture. Significance of traditional foods. Dishes like falafel and the Jerusalem bagel not only nourish but also tell the story of the city's culinary heritage, drawing on a rich mix of cultural influences. B. The Old City as a living museum heritage narrative. Every shop, every conversation is woven into the narrative of Jerusalem's heritage, making the Old City a living museum where history is palpable. Role of food and commerce. The marketplace acts as a microcosm of the city's history, with each item connecting visitors to the ancient traditions that define Jerusalem. Sixth, the Western Wall, Kotel, a historical background connection to the Second Temple. The Western Wall is a remnant of the Second Temple, holding profound significance in Jewish tradition as a place of prayer and reflection. Transformation. Through history. The site has witnessed countless historical events, evolving in its role from a place of worship to a symbol of Jewish resilience. B. Religious practices and significance. Worship practices. Visitors engage in prayer, reflection, and the ritual of placing written prayers in the wall's crevices, seeking spiritual connection and divine intervention. Spiritual connection. These practices foster a deep sense of community and belonging among worshippers, uniting people from diverse backgrounds. Community and resilience. Diverse backgrounds. The Western Wall draws individuals from around the world, each contributing to a collective identity rooted in shared faith and history. Symbol of Jewish identity. It stands as a powerful emblem of Jewish endurance and continuity, representing both personal and communal aspirations. Seventh conclusion, A. The intricacies of faith in Jerusalem. The rich religious tapestry of Jerusalem reflects a complex history of faith, coexistence, and resilience. Each denomination, site, and tradition contributes to the city's spiritual legacy, inviting visitors to explore and appreciate the profound connections that bind its diverse communities together. The divine connection of Jerusalem's sacred sites. Introduction. A. The Western Wall as a living sanctuary. The Western Wall, or Kotel, stands as a profound symbol of connection between the temporal and the eternal. It is a living sanctuary where generations of Jewish people come to express their hopes and prayers, embodying a narrative of resilience and aspiration that has persisted through centuries of challenge and change. 2. The Al-Aqsa Mosque and Temple Mount A. Overview of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, known to Muslims as Al-Haram al-Sharif, Noble Sanctuary, and to Jews as the Temple Mount. The Al-Aqsa Mosque holds immense significance as the third holiest site in Islam, following Mecca and Medina. It serves as a focal point for spiritual devotion and identity among Muslims worldwide. B. Historical significance. The mosque is intimately connected to the Prophet Muhammad's night journey, Isra and Miraj, a miraculous event that underscores its importance in Islamic tradition. For Jews, the Temple Mount is sacred as the site of the first and second temples, central to their religious history and identity. C. Christian relevance. The site is also significant for Christians, linking to key events in the life and teachings of Jesus. Its multifaceted history makes it a place of convergence for the three Abrahamic faiths. The Al-Aqsa compound, A size and composition. The Al-Aqsa compound encompasses 1/6 of the Old City, featuring a diverse array of mosques, buildings, and historical monuments. This sprawling complex reflects centuries of Islamic architectural and cultural development. B. The Shibli Mosque. The Shibli Mosque, the main mosque within the compound, has a rich historical background. Its architectural features showcase the evolution of Islamic design over various dynasties, serving as the site for leading Friday prayers and significant communal worship. A fourth, worship practices at Al-Aqsa. A. Spiritual experience. The atmosphere during prayers and Quran recitation at Al-Aqsa is profound, with a sense of collective spirituality filling the air. Communal gatherings in the courtyard foster a deep connection among worshippers, reinforcing their faith and commitment. B. Daily life and community. The courtyard of Al-Aqsa acts as a vibrant social hub where friendships and bonds of brotherhood are formed. Shared experiences during prayer and social interactions strengthen the community, making it a cornerstone of daily life. V. The Dome of the Rock, a architectural significance. The Dome of the Rock, with its iconic octagonal design and intricate artistic features, is the oldest surviving example of Islamic architecture. Its majestic presence dominates the skyline of Jerusalem, symbolizing the intersection of faith and artistry. B. Sacredness of the foundation. Stone, the foundation stone, holds sacred significance for all three Abrahamic religions. For Jews, it is believed to be the site of creation and the Holy of Holies, where the Ark of the Covenant was kept. In Islam, it is associated with the Prophet Muhammad's ascension to heaven, making it a place of deep reverence. 6. Cultural and national significance. A. Al-Aqsa's role in Palestinian identity. The Al-Aqsa Mosque symbolizes Palestinian culture and history, representing a site of resistance and national pride. Its importance extends beyond religion, embodying the collective identity and aspirations of the Palestinian people. Sifan. Coexistence of sacred sites. A. The relationship between sites. The relationship between the Western Wall, Al-Aqsa Mosque, and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre is emblematic of Jerusalem's complex religious landscape. These sites interact historically and contemporarily, attracting visitors seeking spiritual connection and understanding. B8. Conclusion. A. Jerusalem's enduring legacy. Jerusalem's sacred spaces are timeless, continuing to inspire and foster spiritual connection across generations. The ongoing story of Jerusalem, enriched by its sacred sites, remains a beacon of hope, faith, and unity for all who seek its embrace.